Hey guys! Today I want to show you simple house in 3 minute and advanced house in a long hour. Subscribe and like the video. First, let's increase its size by pressing letter S on your keyboard. Again, let's increase its size by pressing S in the X direction. Then, by pressing Tab key on your keyboard, you're going to edit mode. If you press one key, it highlight the vertex, key 2 for edge, and 3 for area. So press 3 and highlight the upper area. Press letter E to exclude the upper area. Then click key 1 or this tab and change to vertex. Now click the vertex and by pressing shift and left click again to highlight both simultaneously. Click letter M and press at the center, same on the other side. Then change to area by press key 3 and click the roof and move to mesh tab, then exclude. Exclude along the normal and increase a little bit. Again, highlight this part and go to mesh then and exclude along the normal. Now press key 3 and click on the bottom area, the press key X and delete the face. Then press the front area, then click the letter E and S, then letter G to adjust it. Then highlight the roof edge and press E to exclude outward. Finally, it looked like this just within a minute.